baby girl. What are you doing? Yeah, hi. Hi, Harrison. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. Back up a little. There you are. What are you going to do today? Go swimming, and then what? What happens on Monday? Are you going to camp? Yeah, and then what? You're going to be in what grade at school?
First grade.
Yay!